out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So what y'all think about my sweater? Gangsta rapper. Y'all know I had this same shirt last year that I got from Amazon, but it was red. And 2 days ago I was in Walmart and I saw it in there, so I had to grab it. Super cute. I think it was like $20 or something like that, but so cute. And then I'm rocking my red lip. Today is actually my filming day for my mukbang channel. If you guys are new here, I do have a seafood mukbang channel that I upload twice a week. I've been slacking a little bit over there, but on Fridays I usually do story time. It's really good. My food is lit. I always have pretty drinks. Eating Pretty Mukbangs is my channel name if you guys are interested in that. Like I said, we have a lot of fun over there. So I have the link in the description box below. I'm not going to do a story time today because I really haven't had the time to watch any of my crime shows. I'm a big crime show lover. Like I said, if you guys are new here, I love crime shows. I'm not going to do a story time today because I have a lot going on. I have to vlog for Vlogmas. So I'm just going to set everything up. Like I said, y'all will notice that my clothes is different because I started on it when I got home from the gym this morning. So I'm going to just set up everything, let you guys watch how I do that. And that'll pretty much be it for today's vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy it.